In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your JPEG logo into a PNG logo with a transparent background. So let's get into it. So once we're inside of Adobe Photoshop and you've got your JPEG image imported, as you can see, if I drag this to the side, we've got our transparent background here, but this logo comes with this white solid background. And if we try to export this as a PNG, then unfortunately the white background will still be there because we haven't got our transparent layer. So we want to remove this white to make this logo transparent. So in order to do that, we've got one very simple thing that we need to do. So we're going to go up to the quick selection tool. We're going to zoom in on our logo. We're just going to decrease the size of the brush. Make sure that it doesn't overlap your logo. So I'm just going to decrease the size of this to around 20 pixels. And I'm just going to fill in the logo. Now this will create this outline around this logo. And when it does, if you're happy with the look of that, then you can just go ahead and select Command C and Command V to copy that into its own layer. If you're on Windows though, that's going to be Control C and Control V. So if I get rid of the original JPEG logo, you can see the B is now on a transparent layer. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to do that for the rest of the logo. So select the original background layer. We're going to copy this bit of the logo, Command C, Command V. Select the logo again, and then select the last bit, Command C, Command V. And if we get rid of the background, there you go. You can see we've successfully made a PNG version of the logo. But how do we turn this transparent background into a transparent PNG image? That's simple. We just go File, Export, Quick Export as PNG. And then we can just go ahead, we can select that to save to the desktop. We can do bflogo3.png, save. And that's going to save that image very quickly as a PNG. If we go to the desktop, we can now see that we've got that PNG logo sitting on the desktop. And there you go, that is how you turn your logo files in a JPEG format into a PNG with a transparent background right inside of Adobe Photoshop. So thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate your support and I will see you on the next video. See you there.